Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. We from the group of H will present advanced image processing. My name is Norma Nirmala and my friend Dewi Lestari and then Oki Herdian. Okay, the purpose of image quality improvement technique is to perform the image processing so that the result has a relative better quality of initial image. Uh, One way to improve the quality of the image is to adjust the brightness and contrast optimally so that the image be better. And then type mechanical image quality improvement. One, image quality enhancement in the spatial domain. A, point processing. B, mask processing. And then two, image quality improvement in frequency domain. I, Fourier spectra. And then point processing. I, negative image. Negative image, gray level changes the value of the input image pixel with G baru equals 225 minus gamma result as photography. And B, contrast stretching. C, element histogram. And D, image averaging. Okay.
Continuing formula, I will explain about number two is contrast stretching. What is contrast stretching? Contrast stretching is changing the contrast of an image by changing the gray level of pixel in the image according to the function s equal t open brackets r close bracket r specific. Number three, alignment histogram. What is histogram? Histogram is a diagram showing the number of occurrences of gray levels from 0 to 255 as an image. Histogram processing is change the shape of the histogram so that mapping gray level in the image also changes too. Therefore, for type in a histogram element, there is that for the one is dark image. What is dark image? Histogram inclined to the left. Two bright picture histogram inclined to the right. Low contrast image histogram accumulate somewhere. And the last is high contrast image histogram evenly for all over the place. And the last is image averaging. What is image averaging? Image averaging is done if we have some image that display the same, but all of the image noise. Sorry, done if we had some image at the display the same, but all of the image have a noise or differences. Noise of the image is a different from the other image noise. How to fix this is to perform operation on average for all images. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start my presentation, I'd like to introduce myself first. My name is Oki Herdian, and in this video, I'd like to explain about Fourier transformation and image enhancement. And the first part of mine is to explain about Fourier transformation. Fourier transformation itself is a transformation process that changes domain of periodic signal from time domain into a frequency domain. And this transformation, Fourier transformation, is usually used by digital image processing or digital signal processing. And for your information, in 1822, a mathematician named Joseph Fourier from France said that every periodic function such as signal can be built from a result of the sum of sinus and cosinus waves. And there is all of mine for Fourier transformation, and I'd like to explain about image enhancement. Image enhancement is one of initial process of image processing. And the question is why image enhancement is required? Because there is some cases that the image itself has poor quality as an object, such as um, that image have noise, problem of resolution, blur image, and so on. That is why image enhancement is required. And image enhancement itself is a process that make an image can be a better image that can be interpreted by humankind. And the second question is, what is the goal of it? The goal of image enhancement. Actually, the goal is to show characteristic of an image for analytic purpose, or just to show an image that better than before. And I'd like to show some of example of Fourier transformation and image enhancement. Here it is.